300 LTE Wi-Fi USB dongle data card. It supports all brands of SIM cards, like Jio, Airtel, WIFI, BSNL. Just insert a standard SIM card, with active internet subscription, and you are ready to go. Integrated with Qualcomm MSM8916 chipset, for enhanced performance. Blazing fast up to 150 megabits per second download, and up to 50 megabits per second upload speed, depending on the network strength. Now make video calls, Skype calls, using Tukzer Sonic 300X. It support 10 Wi-Fi devices connection at the same time. A perfect companion for work from home or online schooling.